Good morning students. Today we are going to start a new chapter of geography, chapter number 5, industries. Topics of this chapter are introduction of industry, classification of industries, factor affecting location of industries, industrial system, industrial regions, distribution of major industries, iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, information technology. So, we are discussing about one by one topics. First off, I would like to explain introduction of industry. Students, ever wondered where your smartphone came from? You purchased it from a shop, sure, but the shopkeeper purchased it from his distributor. The distributor purchased it from the manufacturer and the manufacturer produced a final product, your smartphone, from the raw material available to him. Thus, the manufacturer is the origin of your smartphone. An industry is a group of organization involved in production, manufacturing or handling the same type of product and service. So, a group of smartphone manufacturer is known as an industry. Industries are part of the secondary activity. Secondary activity of or manufacturing convert raw materials into product or more value to people. Industry refer to economic activities concerned with the production of goods, extraction of services and provision of services. Hence, we can say that industries are concerned with production of goods, for example, steel in energy, extraction of minerals, for example, coal mining, provision for services, for example, tourism. There are also emerging industries, sunrise industries. Next topic is classification of industry. Look on the board. Industries are classified on the basis of raw materials, size and ownership. Industries classified on the basis of raw material, agro based, mineral based, marine based and forest based. Next one, size based industry. To categorize small scale and large scale. Ownership based industry, joint sector, private sector, public sector and cooperative sector. Now I explain one by one. First off, about raw material industries. Agro based industries. These industries use plants and animals based product as their raw materials. For example, food processing, vegetable oil, cotton, textile, dairy product and leather industries. Next, mineral based industries. Mineral based industries are based on mining and use minerals as raw material. These industries also provide to the other industries. They are used for heavy machinery and building materials. Next one, marine based industries. Marine based industries use raw material from sea or ocean, for example, fish oil. Next, forest based industries. These industries use raw materials from the forest like wood. The industries connected with the forest are paper, furniture, etc. Next type of industries is size based. Size of industries are measured by how much money is invested, employee count and goods produced. Small scale industries have less capital and technology invested in them. There is often manual labor noticed here, for example, basket weaving, pottery and handicrafts. Large scale industries. Large scale industries are the exact opposite of small scale industries. Here the capital invested is large and advanced technology is in use here, for example automobiles and heavy machinery. Next one, ownership based industries, joint sector, private sector, public sector and cooperative. Cooperative sector. I explain about private sector. Private industries are business that are owned and operated by an individual or group of individuals. Public sector. Public sector industries are owned and managed by the government. For example, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Joint sector industries. These industries are joint operated by the state and individuals. For example, Maruti Udyog. Cooperative sector industry. Cooperative industries are operated by the suppliers, producers or workers of raw materials. For example, Amul India. Next topic of this chapter is factors affecting location of industries and other topics which will be explained in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.